Hello, today we are going to solve the question number 65 from ISS 2019 paper 2. In this question, we are given that two samples of size 15 were selected from normal mu, sigma square. The degrees of freedom for testing the difference between two population means will be what we need to find. Therefore, the hypothesis of testing will be mu1 is equals to mu2 versus mu1 is not equals to mu2. Okay, therefore in this case our required test statistic can be deduced from uh, this. Suppose we draw two random samples from two different normal populations with mean mu1 and mu2 respectively and variance sigma square. Okay, here n1 is equals to n2 is equals to 15, which is given by the question. Therefore, x1 bar follows normal mu1 comma sigma square divided by n1, and x2 bar, which is normal mu2 comma sigma square divided by n2. From this we can write x1 bar minus x2 bar follows normal mu1 minus mu2 comma sigma square 1 by n1 plus 1 by n2. Therefore we can write x1 bar minus x2 bar minus mu1 minus mu2 divided by sigma root over 1 by n1 plus 1 by n2 follows normal 0 comma 1. And we also can write n1 minus 1 is 1 square plus n2 minus 1 is 2 square is equals to n1 plus n2 minus 2 is square, and n1 plus n2 minus 2 is square divided by sigma square follows chi square n1 plus n2 minus 2. Therefore, the statistic T will be x1 bar minus x2 bar minus mu1 minus mu2 divided by sigma root over 1 by n1 plus 1 by n2 whole divided by n1 plus n2 minus 2 a square divided by sigma square whole divided by n1 plus n2 minus 2 root over. Okay, therefore it follows T n1 plus n2 minus 2. Therefore, the statistic results in x1 bar minus x2 bar minus mu1 minus mu2 whole divided by s root over 1 by n1 plus 1 by n2, which follows T n1 plus n2 minus 2. Therefore, the degrees of freedom is n1 plus n2 minus 2, where n1 and n2 are 15. Therefore 15 plus 15 minus 2 is the degrees of freedom, which results in 28. Okay, so our required answer is the option B, which is 28. Therefore we can write B is correct. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.